They actually introduced me to a thing called as career guidance. Before this, I was like, हाँ ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, सब कुछ mix up करेंगे. But now I know what I'm supposed to do, and I'm really thankful to them for this program. Like from their employees, they are giving the employees' children also a lot that they can, look forward to. So I really thank them, and I hope they give us such opportunities in the future too. I would first of all thank them to make this opportunity available to all the uh, people working over there, because of them I could actually choose what I have to do, and also the right steps through which I have to go to pursue that career. So I don't think that would have been possible if they did not conduct the session, and I would have gone with the flow and chose something else. So I think they played a very important part in this time of my life.
That's good that they are taking initiative to they're taking initiative and they're helping children to figure out what their future career would help them to be successful. Actually, that's a very good thing that they're taking initiative for the employees and children. So I'm thankful for that.
There was a dilemma in my mind. I had multiple opportunities, or what we can say, multiple aspirations in my mind which I was looking for. But after joining this program, I got very clear about my career, and it gave a head start to my future career.
The test conductor and all also helped me look into what exactly I'm interested in, and what would be better, which field would be better for me to proceed further.
I was quite astonished by that how the type of questions that were asked, and based on that, what analysis was made during the meeting. That was very good.
तो मुझे अच्छा लगा काउंसलिंग सेशन, क्योंकि उन्होंने सब अच्छे से डिटेल में समझाया एवरीथिंग. शी वाज वेरी काइंड एंड गुड लिसनर for me, I can say, which was great for me.
So it was a wonderful experience with her, and the way she spoke to me was very welcoming. It wasn't like, I was just talking for a career guidance program that maybe would just happen once. It was like I felt an actual connection that she's trying to help me in my life, and I really took her advice very seriously in that time.
Explained all the available career paths in an easy to understand manner and language, so that I can easily take the call for which career path I can take in the future.
The consultation was very good. I was able to express my feelings and what I'm interested in. I was briefly able to explain, and I felt very nice and good to talk with her. And I was able to clearly express my feelings and the things I'm interested in.
Yeah, it was a very good program from Adani, very helpful for the children. And now they are thinking about not only the employees but also of the children. That's a very good thing that they are doing, because children as such, they are very confused with choosing careers.
It is a heart touching, I can say, in word, because see, companies doing all these things for their employees, but when it goes far away from the employees, means to the family, when it extended to the family and to the children, it gives the positive feelings about the company and attachment about the company.
Whether it is medical assistance, or whether it is career guiding initiatives by Adani Electricity, definitely it is helpful to us.
So guiding us to the correct profession, based on our interest. I think Adani Electricity has taken a good decision.
Great initiative, and it was actually helpful, because I didn't know what I would do specifically. I had things in mind, but it helped me guide towards one thing.
I'm very thankful for the initiative that is Adani taking. Holistic initiatives, basically, not only for employees but also for their boards. That's a very good thing.
This is the first platform where I am seeing that it does not give counseling for just a one period of time. It is there for eight years, I guess. So that I like it, that it will be helpful not for this time but also in future. So that I like this.
Something I liked about your site was that you also tell me about my personality. So I know where I have to develop on, where I don't have to develop on. So, this helped me get a clear thought about my life also. Moreover, it helped me channelize my career. Like now I know that I do not want any kind of career in arts and I only want to go with STEM.